Y'all, I got Costa Vista today. You know me, I usually get Chipotle, but I heard they got burritos, so I gotta see the difference between Chipotle burrito and Costa Vita burrito. So yeah, it's my taste test. And at the end of the day, I said, if I'm gonna spend some money, let me make this money back by simply pulling out my phone, recording this video, and posting it. It was a pretty nice sized burrito. They definitely didn't skimp on none of the stuff that I wanted. They gave me a bunch of chicken. I got a basic burrito. I didn't get nothing special. So it definitely should compare very accurate with Chipotle's when I try this. Here's the fat burrito. It was Sunday, so it was $2 off. So 11 minus 2, that's $9 for this big old burrito. Like it's busting out the band. It literally has a hole in it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get straight into this. I don't even know how I want to eat this. I don't know if I want to use a spoon or fork or what. A big difference between Costa Vida and Chipotle is they fry their burritos. So like you get it fried. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into this taste test. See what it's hitting for. Mm. But that way I can eat the other half anyways later. Now I'm gonna just eat it like it's a Chipotle bowl. Yeah. Oh, that first bite didn't hit for shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was good, but it didn't give me that Chipotle feel. It give you a tiny scoop of sour cream. Mm. It needs to be way hotter. Yeah. More story. This ain't Chipotle. Yeah, bro. Chipotle is better than this Costa Vida. I don't care how big this burrito is. Chipotle is better. Um, on a scale of 1 through 10, I get this. Uh, Let me get a good bite of this. I'm gonna take a nasty bite of this one since this is the sloppy one. I don't even have a facial expression when I eat it. That's how you know it didn't get me. Pop it up. Pop it up. Just like them. But it's a 6 out of 10, bro. I cook this at home. But yeah, I'm out here grinding, man. Like, share, subscribe, follow, mess with your boy. Mm. Crazy part is I'm hungry as heck. And I dish this a little bit. Usually when I'm hungry, I like anything.